Hello everybody. Now let's check how to clear Nginx for the Seagate F3 hard drives. To clear Nginx is very important for some hard drives which has non-original defects stored in Nginx. If the Nginx has some non-original defects, so at this time the hard drive may have problem of the partial sector access. So at this time we need to try to clear the Nginx and then regenerate the translator. However, before users use the clear Nginx, it is a must to back up the Nginx. We can back up Nginx using the ATM mode. So which system file is the Nginx? Now let's try to read the Nginx. We use the ATM mode. Nginx is the system file 35. So this is the Nginx. Nginx means the long resistant growing DSD file. So we need to select this one. This is copy 0, this is copy 1. So there are two copies of the Nginx. Now I just select the copy 0 to backup. Now we can see the Nginx has been backed up. After we back up the Nginx, then we can try to clear Nginx. Clear Nginx ATM mode. Now we can use ATM mode. So at this time we can see we have cleared Nginx successfully. So here we need to go to the COM mode, Ctrl Z, and we can view the Nginx. Now we can see within the Nginx the total entries available 0. So at this time we can try regenerate the translator. But before regenerating the translator, we need to use v4 command to make sure there are no entries, there are no defects within the Nginx. If there are entries or defects in the Nginx, so at this time we may try to learn. We need to clear the Nginx and clear the Nginx. So we need to make sure the Nginx and Nginx have no defects. But sometimes, to clear Nginx is risky, because if the defects contained in the Nginx is original, that means the defects stored in the Nginx are normal, original defects. So you cannot clear the Nginx. Now we can see the defects in the Nginx and Nginx are empty. So we can try to use M063 to regenerate the translator. After regenerating the translator, then we can try to power off, power on, or we can go to ATM mode by use Ctrl T to scan the hard drive. Sometimes, if the drive is busy, when the drive is busy, then users need to clear the Nginx. by COM mode. Clear Nginx by COM mode. When the drive is ready, we can clear the Nginx in ATM mode. So this is ATM mode. Ctrl T to enter ATM mode, and Ctrl Z to work within the COM mode. Now this is COM mode, so we can go to Nginx, clear Nginx by the COM mode. So this one works too. So user need to check the status of the hard drive, whether the status is busy or ready. Busy, then COM mode. Ready, then ATM mode. ATM mode works much faster than the COM mode. So it depends on the status of the drive. So users need to remember that before clearing the Nginx, users need to back up the Nginx. In case you have done something wrong, you can write back the original Nginx and then regenerate the translator. This way, it is very safe to work on the firmware operations. So this video has talked about how to clear the Nginx and how to switch between the ATM mode and the COM mode to work with the Nginx. Thank you for watching this video.